They're called student success fees. And while student success is what they promise, it won't come without the cost of $200 to $500 per semester.
Unfortunately, we do not get the funding that we totally need from the state to pay for everything that we provide for our students.
Due to budget cuts, more CSUs like Cal State Fullerton, Fresno State, Dominguez Hills, and San Diego State are now considering adopting the fee. While here at CSU Northridge, the situation isn't as dire. They implemented what is known as a quality fee, charging students just around $120 per semester.
UCLA's and the UCs and the community colleges all have to make these choices, and they're tough choices. Part of, as a student, what I would want to know about budget cuts, which isn't, what's happening here is they're having these supplemental fees. And what I want to know is what's the money being used for? Is it being used for administrative salaries, or is it going directly to students?
Now, many of these students are covered by financial aid, but for those who aren't, depending on the CSU, they're paying that extra money per semester right out of their own pocket.
Actually, if I didn't have financial aid, I don't think I'd be attending school. If I didn't, I'd probably be at Mission maybe, or like, you know, not a CSU, of course.
I think it makes it really, really stressful just on those who are already struggling financially. For me, I really don't have that much of an issue with it just because I am on financial aid. I have parents who are very supportive of my college education. But just if I were to put myself in the shoes of others who are struggling financially, then I would see it as a really, really big problem for me.
If we're not getting any more money from the state, how do we provide the services for those students? Our role is to serve the region, and we are quite determined to make sure we are here to serve the students. We're trying not to turn away those students who are qualified to attend California State University Northridge, but you can't do that if you don't have the resources and support.
These fees are looked at by many as a scheme to shift more education costs towards students without raising the cost of tuition. Reporting from Cal State Northridge, I'm Tigran Martirosyan, Cougar News.